The next thing is I want to move on to is a heating mat. Having that warmth and that heat so that this soil is consistently warm, and it just really helps to get those seeds to pop, and you'll have a much higher rate of success. And so this is a heating mat. It's a small one, but again, we use the same type of things in our own greenhouses. So I've got a propagating chamber and it has several layers, and we have the big versions of the heating mats, and we give that bottom heat, and it really pops those seeds. And there's some seeds, it's kind of fun to watch, like marigolds. They are like, boom, overnight they pop up. And there's some seeds that it might take 10-15 days in the propagating chamber. So really we're doing the same thing. You find a spot where you can put this for your own seeds, and it gives that nice consistent about 85 degrees of warmth, and it travels up through that soil, and it keeps everything nice and warm 24 hours a day. And like I said, it just makes a world of difference for getting those seeds to pop. So this is a VivoSun heating mat. It's about 10 by 20 inches, and you can set up if you have different, whether you have Dixie cups or solo cups or whatever you need to find to start. You can even keep from your flats, if you're buying marigolds or begonias or whatever, and the bedding plants, save these little inserts, and they're kind of nice to fill up with the germinating mix, and you can go through and start some seeds in that. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.